Hi, my name is Paul V. Matthew. I am a passionate social change agent having a decade experience in government and social sector. Hailing from a rural hinterland of a village and traveled across, the problems and issues of people were a cause of concern for me from my childhood onwards. The Green Life India Innovations Network, established by me at my hometown, was a humble endeavor to steer social changes at my premises. Eventually, I turned to government sector and handled various central and state government initiatives which are benefiting local community. Currently, I work with the Chief Minister of Delhi and handling a historic project called the Doorstep Delivery of Public Services, where we are delivering various government services at the doorstep of citizens. We are at a juncture where we are victimized or witness to see various repercussions and consequences of our own actions. Climate change, global warming, environmental pollution, then trade wars, arms race, all are looming as a threat above us. Universal brotherhood, mutual cooperation, and strive for peace and prosperity are in need of this hour. Strong leaders with outstanding commitment, unwavering passion for change, and global vision are very much essential to get rid from all the prevailing crises. We normally talk about development and referring to GDP, gross domestic product. But time has exceeded to think about other variables like human resource development and happiness indexes. Let me propose the triple bottom line approach for our development ideologies. Triple bottom line approach envisions three areas: economy, society, and environment. The economic dimensions envisions equal opportunity in income, job, and livelihood, and also equality in sharing income to all strata of the community, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and clan. Mahatma Gandhi once said, when you design a scheme or service, think about people at the very bottom of the society. That is the essence of economic principle of triple bottom line. Second one is social part. The social empowerment and revamp of cultural identity of people. Governments and organizations or leaders must think of social empowerment while designing and devising schemes for the global good. Last but not the least, the hue and cry of this hour, environmental aspect. Lot of conventions, summit, rallies, and international programs are going on. But this is the time to go beyond words rather than and lip services. This is the time to act. We are under threat because of various global environmental concerns. The three words, remember: act. Let the global leaders, organizations, and countries come together to fight against all the issues. Let us think about society, economy, and environment while defining our concepts, projects, and programs. Come on, let us together develop a prosperous and peaceful environment in this country. Thank you very much.